So fish curry, really simple. I mean, it's really easy, this one. It's absolutely delicious. Beautifully smooth coconut gravy there. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So let's take a look at what we have. This is a really simple version of a fish curry here. We'll have it done in no time. So here I've got 400 ml of coconut milk. I've got half a cup of tomato, cut nice and small. Try and use a nice ripe juicy tomato. I've got a cup and a half of onion. I'm using red onion sliced. Use white and cut it smaller if you want. Our fish, this is a frozen dory fish, like a fish fillet, a white fish fillet. Cut it into kind of, you know, little bite-sized pieces. 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Here I've got some fresh curry leaves. If you can get them, fabulous. If not, try and get them dried. There is nothing really that replaces it. I've had a few questions about that recently. Nothing really is the same as fresh curry leaves. Half a teaspoon of turmeric. 2 teaspoons of chili powder. I'm using a Kashmiri chili powder for those interested. 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. A teaspoon there of fenugreek. And 3 dried red chilies. So in that pan there, I've got 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now, coconut oil is pretty essential in this. I wouldn't change it for some other oil. We're melting that down. Just put the heat on, and we're on an above medium heat. We're going to start off by dropping in the fenugreek and the 3 dried red chilies. Just a few seconds in there, let them do their thing in that oil. We're going to add half of our curry leaves now. Then we're going to add a cup and a half of onion. And we're going to cook this for about 5 minutes or so to get those onions fairly well cooked in this one. Fabulous. Now we're going to add the ginger garlic paste. 1 tablespoon there. We're going to add some salt. Let's give that a little mix. Half a cup of tomato, cut nice and small. And then our powders. So half a teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of chili, and 2 of coriander. We're going to go now, staying on this fairly lively heat for another 4 minutes or so. Now it's time to add the fish, fillet fish, a white fillet fish. Just 3 minutes, gently turning it over, stirring it there. It will cook really quickly, this fish, by the way. And then 400 ml of coconut milk. The balance of our curry leaves. Then we're going to turn the heat down to just above a simmer. Not a simmer, just above. And we're going to let this go for another 5 minutes, giving it a little gentle stir every now and then. Beautiful, you've done it. Okay, job done. So off goes the heat. Check the salt level. Like I said, fish like that will cook very quickly. Now, just one more thing. I'm going to add some fresh chili now. Now, this looks like a load. That's because it's not a super hot chili that I'm using there. Optional, actually. Little stir in. Beautiful. Let's get that served. Steaming hot, ready to serve. That's beautiful with some just plain white basmati rice, I think. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. Please do give us a thumbs up, leave a comment. I do like to hear from you guys. and hit the subscribe button so you get notifications of future episodes that we're posting up. Lots of love.